Once there lived a man named Adam in a village. Once he sat on the railing of his barn and kept clapping his hands to create the sound of the blast of a small cracker. Later, he discovered 50 flies dead around where he was sitting. He claimed that he killed those flies. People started calling him Master Blaster. He was a big talker and could convince people. Once, a potter's donkey went missing. In fact, thieves had stolen it and sold it. The potter sought the help of the Master Blaster in seeking out his donkey. Master Blaster set out towards the forest to look for the donkey on a hunch. Suddenly, it started raining, and he ran to find shelter under a tree, saying,
"Dropula comes! Dropula comes!"
A lion was also there on the other side of the same tree. The Dropula word puzzled the lion. It took Master Blaster as Dropula. The lion had never heard that word, nor did it know any creature of that name. The lion stayed there, frozen, scared of Dropula. He thought,
"Could it be the brother of Dracula?"
In the darkness, Master Blaster groped around and caught the lion's ear. He thought it was the potter's donkey. He brought the lion to the potter's hut, dragging it by its ear, and tied it to the donkey's tether. The news reached the king that the man-eater lion had been caught. He had declared a big prize for the catcher or killer of that lion. The king rewarded Master Blaster and employed him in his court at a high post. Moral: sometimes things just happen when luck is smiling.